So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about data list, how you can add a data list. So basically data list is kind of similar to the select drop down, but it has an input field where we can also write the customized value and we can select that. So let me just write that, then you'll get the idea. Here we have input type list, and then we have the ID. We have the data list, and then there is the data list attribute. Instead of type, I have to write the data list ID equals to, let's say, countries. I can write the list attribute here, and inside that I can specify this ID. This ID is not there. This ID I can specify here. So data list is kind of similar to the select. We create this data list and we provide some ID to it, and then that ID is actually added to an input field by adding a list attribute. So in this list attribute, we specify the ID of a data list which we want to connect with. So inside that we have the option tag, just like the select option, but we don't close it. It is a self-closing option tag, and inside the option tag we have a value attribute. Whatever we'll be writing in that value attribute, that will be actually the visible text also. So if I write let's say USA here, and similarly if I copy that thing for multiple lines, and if I add it for let's say Japan and India, if I do that, so it will create a data list for us. You can see that this is actually a data list, and you can also see the styling is a little bit nicer than a normal select drop down. So I can select the data list, I can remove that, I can search for a input field, and I can write anything I want. So I can write Japan here, let's say test. So the test will be submitted. Actually, we also can write the data like the name attribute as well in here, because we haven't specified that. So you can specify the country here. That will be good. This is actually how we create a data list. In the next video, we'll be discussing about how we can add the attributes, or we'll be discussing about the different attributes we have. So let's meet in the another one. Thank you for watching.